physical pain. It's also psychological pain, just like love. Obviously, the other party has been hurting us, but we always attribute the mistake to ourselves. For your lover, for your mistakes. Without our presence, maybe everything will be better. Surgeon and archer, not a fashion, but to escape. After getting up every day, when we go to work or school, sometimes we pass by a city or a road that once made us sad. Given enough time, we can touch, but most of the time, we can only face it with real memories. How to change your mood, transformation pain and unwillingness. Maybe another way. Last time I drove a car, this time I rode a motorcycle. Last time I took the bus, this time I took the subway. Use changes to transform painful memories. This is facing, not escaping. Moments in my life, I can imitate other people's colorful time. His success can be my model. His attitude can be my teacher. My uncertainty, it will not necessarily become the future. Black and white short become color. You just need to study. Without a little money, arriving at a very close location, make simple food, boldly try to innovate in different ways, create freshness, create a miracle.
哎，对，
直接信用卡。
哎，对。
doing it wrong all along. Only then did I realize that I had failed, or always succeed in the final process. Then yourself lose everything. Fire can evaporate everything, be good or bad. You can eat it after cooking it. longer the road to travel. But I forgot to go there to face the sun. Downhill is accompanied by darkness, the lost beauty, like the sun in the palm of your hand, very bright in the dark, making the road feel like a kind of shame. Nothing is ever wasted. Buying a car is learning. Car repair is a course. Buying a ticket is learning. Sitting in the right car is an experience. Auto study courses experience. Transportation without taking the first step. The first hour was not wasted. The progress is all in place. I always regret it, always envy others.